How to add a cross-dissolve transition in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and make sure you are in the edit page when your timeline is visible. This is where you will do all your cutting and transitions. Next, drag the two clips on your timeline where you want to add the cross-dissolve transition. The clips should be placed next to each other with no gaps in between. After that, go to the effects library, which is usually located on the top left side of the screen. In the effects library, click on the video transition folder. Here you will find different types of transition including the cross dissolve, which might be labeled simply as cross dissolve or dissolve depending on your version. Now, drag the cross dissolve transition effect and drop it directly between the two clips on the timeline. You will see a small bar or a highlighted area indicating the transition is applied. You can adjust the duration of the transition by dragging its edges on the timeline. Make it longer or shorter depending on how smooth or quick you want the effect to be. Finally, play back the timeline to preview the transition and make sure it looks how you want it to. If needed, adjust the timing until it feels natural. And that's it. Now you know how to add a cross-dissolve transition in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.